Trading isn't just about the wins, it's about the lessons. Today, I'm opening up about my biggest Forex trading loss ever. It's a story of overconfidence, bad decisions, and one massive wake-up call. If you're trading, or thinking about it, you need to hear this. This wasn't just a bad day, it was the day that shook my confidence and almost made me quit Forex trading entirely. But what if I told you it's also the day I learned my most valuable lessons? It started like any other day. I'd been riding a streak of wins, feeling untouchable. The market was moving fast and I spotted what I thought was the perfect setup. A high-impact news event was about to hit and I wanted in. I opened a position, bigger than I should have. My stop loss? I didn't tighten it thinking, this is the trade that'll double my account. And then it happened. The market didn't move my way, it plummeted. Within minutes, I was staring at a loss so big, I couldn't believe my eyes. I froze. Instead of cutting my losses, I hesitated, thinking, it'll bounce back. Spoiler, it didn't. By the time I closed the trade, I was down $10,000. It was gut-wrenching. Looking back, I made a series of mistakes. 1. I over-leveraged my position. 2. I ignored my own risk management rules. 3. And I let my emotions take over. It wasn't just a financial loss, it was a blow to my confidence, but it also forced me to reevaluate my strategy and mindset. So, here's what I learned, and what you can take away. 1. Never trade without a solid plan. Stick to your risk-reward ratio, no matter how tempting the trade looks. 2. Set your stop loss and never move it. A small loss is better than a catastrophic one. 3. Emotions don't belong in trading. If you're feeling overconfident or desperate, step away from the screen. Everyone talks about their wins, but real traders know losses teach the best lessons. If you've ever taken a hit in Forex or if you're afraid of it, let me know in the comments. What's your biggest lesson from trading? And if you want to see how I turn things around after this loss, check out my next video on my top risk management strategies. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real talk about Forex trading. Remember, losses are part of the journey, but it's how you respond that defines your success. See you in the next video.